All right, so now that your accounts are wired up, Composy needs to know when you want them to be posted, how often they need to be posted, and for which specific types of content, right? So what we need to do is on step 2, we're going to go ahead and click on Do It Now for the Pick Your Output Formats and Cadence. Let's go ahead and click that. Then it'll send us to this section under Engine Output Formats, which is specific to each one of the 13 formats that we have right now currently at the moment, right? Now, over time, there might be more, but what you'll be able to see is that each individual type of content, we can select which platforms they get to be posted on, what days of the week they get to be posted on, and then how many posts per day during that day of the week is your preferred time as well. So let's just say for text posts, we want to select it to go out once every day from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We don't want to post on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we want those posts to go out, let's say at 10 a.m. And we want them to specifically post on, let's say, LinkedIn and Threads. Notice you'll see that X is not connected here. You can't select it because I don't have it selected right now currently in the Publishing Hub. So just keep that in mind, right? If you can't click it, that means you need to go connect it. Similarly, for photo posts, you'll be able to connect them, let's say, for Instagram, Facebook. Maybe we want to do Pinterest this time. We want to do them 7 days a week. We want to post them, let's say, once every single day, maybe at 11. And you would kind of go down this list and you'll see what they are specifically on the right-hand side, what they mean, what they do. And you can pretty much schedule them however you like, right? Now, keep in mind, right, you don't want, let's say, a bunch of your content going out. Maybe let's say if you have Facebook here and you have Facebook here, both going out, let's say 10 a.m., that would kind of be redundant, right? To have two pieces of content going out at the same exact time. Try to kind of pace them apart. What I like to do is I start off by, like, let's say selecting one for each individual thing, and I go down and I say, okay, this one's going to be posted at maybe 8 a.m. This one's going to be posted at 9. This one's going to be posted at 10. And you get the idea, right? Keep going down the list until maybe you get to like 8 p.m. at night, right? Some people like to have them maybe intervals at like every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. It's really up to you how you want to schedule this out. Just know that you can have these posts also go out more times per day. So let's just say I select 2 days. I can have one text post go out at 8 a.m. The other one, maybe I want it to go out at, I don't know, 6 p.m., right? So we can switch that out. So I'll just update that. And then basically what this allows you to do is when you have a piece of content in the pipeline, which you'll see in the next step we'll be going over, we'll be able to automatically schedule them onto our calendar.